Number 1.
1987 Jeep J20, price $14,000. Powered by a 360 V8 engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, this truck has traveled 154,500 miles. It features a clean white exterior paired with a tan interior, both of which have been recently refreshed, showcasing a new interior and a professional paint job. The vehicle sits on stylish American racing wheels, runs and drives exceptionally well, and is completely free of rust.
With only 2 previous owners, this J20 has been well cared for and includes a set of additional wheels and an extra transfer case for added versatility.
The truck is fueled by gasoline, making it both powerful and reliable. The owner is open to trading for vehicles like a Toyota Tacoma, a TJ Wrangler, a Silverado, an S10, or other classic trucks.
Number 2.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $15,500, with 223,100 miles on the odometer, featuring an automatic transmission, a black exterior, and a gray interior. The truck runs on gasoline and has no known mechanical issues.
It retains its stock 5.7L V8 engine and has received numerous upgrades and new components.
These include a completely rebuilt front suspension, a new AC compressor, a new water pump, a thermostat, and a fan clutch, among other improvements. Additional features include a premium audio system consisting of a Pioneer double DIN radio and 2 15-inch kicker subwoofers. The truck is equipped with an alarm system with remote start, a new windshield, and a new chrome mesh grille. It comes with like-new 26-inch chrome IROC rims fitted with 4 brand-new matching tires, as well as an additional set of factory rims mounted with 4 brand-new 275/60 or 15 tires. This Chevrolet 1500 holds a clean Texas title in the owner's name.
Number 3.
1968 Chevrolet C10, price $10,500. It has traveled only 5,000 miles and features an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in black, while the interior boasts a clean gray design.
Powered by a gasoline engine, both the engine and transmission have less than 5,000 miles on them, ensuring reliable performance.
This truck is equipped with 4-wheel power disc brakes for superior stopping power, an aluminum radiator for efficient cooling, and an HEI distributor to enhance ignition. Additionally, it comes with a new starter and fuel pump, making it ready to drive anywhere with confidence. While the truck is mechanically sound, the exterior does require some attention. There is rust present on the rocker panels, though the cab corners and truck bed remain in good condition.
Overall, this vehicle offers a solid foundation for restoration or customization while being fully functional in its current state. Number 4.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $14,000, with only 60,000 miles on the odometer. It features a beige exterior and a brown interior, giving it a classic and timeless look. Powered by a 5.7-liter LS carbureted engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, this truck delivers both reliability and performance. Additional highlights include air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, and digital gauges for a modern touch. The MSD6014 controller enhances the engine's efficiency, while a new set of tires, a new fuel tank, and a freshly updated interior ensure the truck is ready for the road. Everything on this truck is in excellent working condition, making it a rare and desirable find for collectors or enthusiasts.
Number 5.
1985 GMC 1500, price $12,500. This is a well-maintained classic truck with 123,000 miles on the odometer. It is powered by a reliable 350 engine paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission and features a sturdy 10-bolt rear end, ensuring strong performance and smooth driving. The truck comes with a striking red exterior, beautifully contrasted by a sleek black interior, and runs on gasoline, making it a timeless choice for enthusiasts of vintage American pickups. Despite its age, the truck has received numerous new parts to keep it running in excellent condition. However, there is some rust present in the cab corners and behind the rear wheels, which is typical for vehicles of this era. The truck is being offered for sale as is, with no trades accepted, and is a great option for someone looking to own or restore a piece of automotive history.
Number 6.
1972 GMC Sierra Grande, price $14,500, with 74,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a green exterior and interior.
Powered by a gasoline engine, it starts effortlessly, drives smoothly, and stops perfectly. Everything functions as it should, including the radio, and the heat works exceptionally well. The engine and transmission are in excellent condition with no leaks.
It comes with brand new tires and a set of original GMC wheels, While the truck has been repainted, the previous owner left the bed's dents intact, maintaining its authentic character. The interior is clean but shows signs of age, including a cracked dash and normal wear and tear. Despite this, the truck remains reliable and functional, with a clean Tennessee title ready for its next owner.
Number 7.
1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $15,000. It has traveled 240,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission and comes in a striking brown exterior with a sleek black interior. Powered by a GM Goodwrench 4-bolt main 350 small block engine and paired with a TH350 transmission, this short bed truck offers a solid driving experience. It is equipped with the Package 44/Big 10 trim, enhancing its performance and appeal. Sitting on 22-inch US Mag Scottsdale wheels, the truck has tires with 80% tread remaining, ensuring a reliable grip on the road. The suspension has been modified with a 5-to-6 drop, giving it a more aggressive stance. Inside, the interior is rated at 8 out of 10, providing comfort and style. Although the truck holds a clean title, rust is visible along the rockers, fenders, and bed, which is common for a vehicle of this age.
Number 8.
1985 Ford F-150, price $12,500, with 123,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and comes with a striking blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior. This truck runs on gasoline and is powered by a 5.0L/302 fuel-injected engine, delivering reliable performance. Additional highlights include power windows and locks, an aftermarket Viper car alarm system, and a premium sound system for enhanced convenience and entertainment. The air conditioning and heater are fully functional, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions.
A newly rebuilt transmission was recently installed, adding to the truck's reliability. Number 9.
1992 Ford F-150, price $14,900. It has a black exterior and gray interior, featuring a new 5.8L V8 engine with less than 13,000 miles, a manual transmission, and runs on gasoline. Key upgrades include a replaced clutch and master cylinder, a new radio head unit, spray-in bed liner, all-terrain tires, side steps, and a recently done paint job. The AC system has been fully redone, and new shocks, wiper blade motor and arms, and a fuel filter have been replaced. There are a few minor issues, including a slightly high idle and an occasional check engine light that turns off on its own, believed to be related to the idle. The truck's odometer shows only 70% of the actual miles due to the larger tires, but overall, the truck remains in great condition and runs well.
Number 10.
1963 Chevrolet C10, price $11,500. This is a well-maintained classic with a lot of character and patina. With 100,000 miles on the odometer, the truck features a front and rear built 327 engine paired with a Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. The body is in great shape with minimal rust, and it has a clean, rust-free underside, including solid floors, frame, body mounts, inner rockers, and door bottoms. This truck has recently had a new clutch, pressure plate, tires, wheels, shocks, and brakes installed.
The engine was fully detailed and resealed, ensuring it's in top condition. The interior has been upgraded with new gauges, a GPS speedometer, a new seat, and new carpet. It also boasts a vintage 1957 Corvette steering wheel, which adds a unique touch to the cabin. On the road, the truck runs smoothly, and with the 5-speed, it can easily cruise at 80 miles per hour all day. The ride quality is excellent, making this truck not only a joy to drive but also a reliable one. The truck has a clean Pennsylvania title in the seller's name.